3, 2, 1, टेक.
नमस्कार. हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता. ही विकली प्रोग्राम आसा पॉयंट काउंटर पॉयंट हेराल्ड टीव्हीचेर आनी त्या हेचेर विशय आसा तो पोगो बिलाचो. पोगो बिलाचो मदींच विशय कितें आयलो अशें तुमकां सगळ्यांक दिसतलें, पूण तशें ना. झारखंड असेंब्लीन एक बील पास केला. तेतून तांणी अशें म्हटलां की 1932 ह्या वर्सा जे झारखंडान रावताले तांचे लँड रेकॉर्ड्स ज्यांचे आशिल्ले तेकाच आमी रिजर्वेशन दितले आनी तसो तेंच्यांनी एक बील पास केला. आनी कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाच्या 9th शेड्युलान ते बील तो एक्ट घालपा खातीर आतां ते सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन परस्यू करतले. तेका लागून आमकां हे पोगो बिलाचो उगडास आयलो आनी पोगो बील त्या सिमिलर लायनीचेर आसा. आनी पोगो बिलाचे जे फुडें व्हरतात ते रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्स आरजी जेंकां म्हणटात तेंकाय आमी ह्या डिबेटीर आपयल्ले, पण गेले 2 दीस तेंच्यांनी कोण कोण येतले म्हणून सांगले, पण आज प्रत्यक्षान तेंचे कडल्यान कोण हांगा पावूंक ना. तेका लागून ते आमच्या डिबेटीन आयज ना. पण आमच्या आयज डिबेटीन बीजेपीचे स्पोक्सपर्सन सिद्धार्थ कुंकळ जे आदले आमदार आसात तुमकां येवकार, एडवोकेट पुंडलीक रायकार जे पणजेचे आसात त्यांनी ह्या विशयाचो अभ्यास केला, तुमकांय स्वागत आसा. आनी आमचे ट्रोजन डिमेलो जे आतां टीएमसीन आसात तेंचे स्पोक्सपर्सन आसात तांचे आमी स्वागत करता. म्हाका एक सिद्धार्थ बाब सांगा, हे जे पोगो बील आसा म्हणजे गोंयकार कोण, पर्सन ऑफ गोवन ओरिजीन गोंयकार कोण हे खरें थारावपाची गरज आसा.
म्हाका दिसता भारत देश हातून 27 राज्यां आसा आनी विविध संघ प्रदेश आसा.
हय.
आनी आमी आमचो देश एक म्हणून मानता.
हय.
खंयच्यानी खंय वचून आमी रावपाक शकता,
हय.
आमी खंय वचून काम करपाक शकता, उद्योग धंदो करपाक शकता. आनी म्हाका दिसता इन द स्पिरीट ऑफ फेडरलिझम
हय.
दॅट डेफिनेशन एंड एस्पेशली इन टुडेज आयचे जे जागतीक स्तराचेर जे एक्सपान्शन जाता वा जागतीक स्तराचेर जे एकीकरण जाता ते जर पळयत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता दिस बील हॅज नो रिलेवन्स इन टुडेज टायम्स.
हय. म्हणजे तुमकां अशें दिसता की गोंयकार कोण हे डिफायन करपाची आयज गरज उरूंक ना.
ते आमी गोंयकार कोणी डिफायन केला. दोज आर डोमिसायल हियर
हय.
फॉर सर्टन नंबर ऑफ इयर्स.
हय.
वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर देम एज गोंयकार.
हय. म्हणजे
आनी
15 वर्सां सरकारी नोकरी
हय.
खातीर मागतात.
हय. जे 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 लोक हांगा येवन तांणी आपली कर्मभूमी केली,
हय.
ह्या भुमीची सेवा केली,
हय.
गोंयची सेवा केली,
हय.
म्हाका दिसता दे आर क्वॉलिफायड एज अ गोंयकार.
हय. हांव एडवोकेट रायकरां कडेन वयता. हो प्रश्न म्हाका कित्या खातीर पडलो तुमकां सांगता. गोंयच्या बाबतींत जर पळयलें जाल्यार वेरियस डेट्स आसात. एक डेट अशी आहा की 19 डिसेंबर 1961 आमकां लिबरेशन मेळ्ळें, हें आमकां खबर आसा. एक डेट जाली. दुसरी जी डेट आसा ती 1962 ची सप्टेंबरांतली आसा.
ऑर्डर आसा ती.
ऑर्डर आसा, सिटीजनशीप ऑर्डर काडल्या. सिटीजनशीप ऑर्डर काडली आनी आमकां इंडियन सिटीजन म्हणून आमकां सिटीजनशीप ग्रँट जाली. ती एक डेट आसा. तिसरी डेट आसा ती 19 फेब्रुवारी 1968. म्हणजे गोंयकाराक जर कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट जर खंयच्या घेवपाक जाय जाल्यार तो 19 फेब्रुवारी 1968च्या पयलीं गोंयांत रावपी जाय, ही तिसरी डेट आसा. चवथी डेट आसा जशी खूब कोण चर्चा करिना ती 19 मे 1975 ची. 75 तेन्ना फ्रेंडशीप एग्रीमेंट इंडिया, पोर्तुगाल आनी युएना भितर जाला आनी ट्रिटी सायन जाली आनी गोवा हो इंडियेचो पार्ट हे पोर्तुगालान मानून घेतला. 1975 घेतले. हे वेरियस डेट्स आसा. ह्या सगळ्या डेटीच्या पाड भुंयेचेर हे पोगो बील आसत किंवा पर्सन ऑफ गोवन ओरिजीन जर थारायतले जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी अशें म्हटलां की 19 डिसेंबर 1961. आमी जर अशें पळयलें की 61 लिबरेट जाले, बट 63 मेरेन हांगा गव्हर्मेंटच नाशिल्ले. पयले गव्हर्मेंट येयले 63, तेचेर हांगा मिलिटरी रूल आशिल्लो. तेन्नाचे जे डॉक्युमेंट आसले ते पोर्तुगीज गव्हर्मेंटांनी डॉक्युमेंट केल्ले. ते डॉक्युमेंट मिलिटरीन जेन्ना हांगा भितर सरली तेन्ना कितले उरले, कितले तेंचे डिस्ट्रॉय केले, कितें कितें आमकां कांयच खबर ना. 63 नवे गव्हर्मेंट आयले. 75 आमचो लँड सर्वे पयलो गोंयांतलो जाला. तर हे सगळे कन्फ्युजन आसतना तुमी हाचे कडेन कशें पळयता?
सी इफ यू गो टू सी हें तर पळयत जाल्यार पोगो बील आसा पळय न्ही, हेतून 2 एस्पेक्ट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. दे आर ट्रायंग टू डिफायन नाव ऑल ओवर अगेन एज हेणें म्हणलें कोण कुंकळकरान की पोगो बील आसा पळय ते आयडेंटिटी हू इज अ गोवन आसा पळय ऑलरेडी डिफायन्ड आसा. इररिस्पेक्टीव ऑफ दॅट दोन गोष्टी आसा. वॉट दॅट बील इज ट्रायंग टू डू, द बील इज ट्रायंग टू डिफायन हू इज अ गोवन. ओके, now who is a Goan can be debatable, or we can have a debate on that.
Yes.
Now as far as those days 75, 68, 61, these dates can be debated because little bit variation in the dates would qualify some people and may not qualify others.
Yes.
कितें 61 वचत जाल्यार चड लोक क्वॉलिफाय जातलो 75 येत जाल्यार आनीक मातशें कमी जातले वॉट एवर इट इज ना दॅट डेट इज नॉट मटिरियल one is that they are trying to define who is a pogo based on a particular date that is 19th or 20th February before 20th February December 1961 till there is no problem according to me pogo bill ata म्हणटा पळय that there is a larger debate and therefore we are discussing today whether pogo bill जाय काय ना then the second question is whether pogo bill is constitutional or not insofar as the first part is concerned there is no debate there cannot be any debate on that. So little bit variation here and there, no problem. And where is the question lies, or where is the real issue with the bill, is that what you want to give pogo. The persons of Goan origin or person of Goan origin म्हणटा पळय तेका तुम्ही कितें दिवंक सोदता आनी थंयच ती full that what makes the bill unconstitutional or what makes the bill not so pleasant to in respect of the federal structure or in respect of the law of the land, that is constitutional law. Kiren dita payte is very important, and in that respect I would say that this bill is absolutely unconstitutional. You may compare it with other some days back RG said what RG said that this bill 2013 atle ayala bill ayala Notaries Act, Succession and Notaries Act ayala pay ते तर हे जावंक शकता because what it does it makes that bill is applicable only to a certain section of Goans.
Yes.
Okay, then they also pointed out एक उत्तराखंडान एक bill आयला कितें wherein 75% reservation is given to residents of domicile.
Yes.
But then what is the difference between Pogo bill, the Notaries Act and that Uttarakhand Act, and then we'll come to the act which is passed in this Jharkhand Assembly. Notaries Act असा पळय आमचे it neither gives any right nor takes away any rights from anybody. It only lays the procedure as to how the devolution of succession will take place. It says that for a set of people born on or before particular date, this law will be applicable insofar as the devolution of the succession is concerned. So तुमचे कडल्यान rights दिनाय बी घेनाय बी.
It simplifies the procedures.
Yes, it's a procedural law. There may be some substantive provisions there. Now insofar as other people that is born after that date, Indian Succession Act is applicable. That means it's a procedural law. So that law is not applicable to Pogo bill. Okay. Second and most important is if you talk about Uttarakhand Act, that Uttarakhand Act is based on domicile. They define a domicile. That means they are not going to say this person or that person. Whoever has that domicile gets qualified. And thirdly, and the most important part is it is a time bar. It's only for 10 years. Uttarakhand Act asa pay, it's only for 10 years. 10 years. Automatically it will lapse. Now what we are trying to do with Pogo, we are trying to give rights to a certain section of population which was born on or before a particular date, and we are saying that only they will get.
Yes.
Only they will get.
Depriving others.
Depriving others is the issue, and that's the constitutional issues that the bill fails to address. Yeah. You cannot do that. Constitutional federal structure will not accept that. Yeah. And as I understand, and after reading the bill, is that it has tendencies, secessionist tendencies.
Yeah.
म्हणजे कशें भारत देश आसा पळय ताका कशें तोडचें पळय न्ही in various parts. That tendencies is there in this bill. So therefore they may make big noise. RG can make big noise. In fact, I would love to have somebody there from RG
we tried.
Yes, because one-sided जावं उपकारना ते. They should also get an opportunity.
We tried.
And I believe that today was an ही तांकां आज opportunity आशिल्ली यो आनी तुमची side आसा बाजू मांडपाक. Baba, people are criticizing, some people are supporting, and who are the people who are supporting? People who have not even read the bill. I'm pretty sure even their MLA who is there, he has not read the bill. Because I remember he made one comment, the question was asked to him, to the MLA, Arjit's MLA, whether 60 years of domicile is okay for you. He said okay, but that bill is not about domicile.
Yes.
Domicile means it is not a flexible domicile. It is something which is only for a certain set of people, not beyond that. So that's what I'm saying. Even they have not read the bill. One person has read, and my understanding was this bill was not drafted by a lawyer. There is no lawyer. It has not been vetted by constitutional experts. And so therefore there are very mistakes. This bill, even if it is passed in the assembly, they will have to again call on the government of India to include in the 9th schedule, which is impossible. 370 काढले आम्ही 370 काश्मीरातले काढले article. Why we काढले म्हणजे we qualified now because there was inbuilt provision there also to say when to be applicable, when to not.
Yes.
The government of India could. They exercise that right, Kadle. And now you are integrating Kashmir with India in all aspects, insofar as law is concerned, people to people contact, residing and all that. How can you have this bill passed now?
It's a contradictory.
Contradictory, absolutely contradictory. And by saying this, I don't mean to say that I am not for Goa or I'm speaking for or against Goa. It's not that way. Yes, basically the content of the bill is unconstitutional, and even if they can say koni asa poine to RG koni asa, even the lawyer who has otherwise guided them, he also can do it. He will also not support the bill, and he has in the past he has not supported this bill. Okay, earlier bill ashile 6 provisions ashile
आता 21 केले
असा म्हणजे कट्टे that was again rubbish. That was rubbish. ते काहीच नाशिले आणि हे बिल म्हणता पयनी ते इवन फाल्यां तर हेतून आयले किरान आयले असेंब्लीन आयले कोणूच पास करूंक सोदचोन ते because nobody would want to lay their hands on something which is so unconstitutional on the face of it which is unconstitutional कोणूच करूंक सोदचोना.
ट्रोजन बाब तुम्ही तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचे रिप्रेझेंटेशन करता इन वेस्ट बंगाल तातून एक फायट आसा की बांगलादेशी आसा आणि लोकल वेस्ट बेंगॉलचे लोक आसा तांची फायट चालू आसा. सिमिलर फायट हांगाय आसूं शकता, गोंयान आसूं शकता. भितरले भायले सगळे चालू आसता. हे सगळे चालू असताना हाव यू लुक एट दिस होल इश्यू, नॉट ओनली रिलेटेड टू दिस बिल but in a broader sense, how you look at?
See, today I feel, as you have said, RG has refused to not come here.
They failed to turn
appear here.
Yeah.
And I think they have rightly done it. But they are not in a position to defend it. That is a simple reading of the situation. When you have such a vibrant party you talk of, such vibrant people are there, you can't even put up one person to defend it. Means because there is nothing to defend. We must also understand one thing. We are discussing the pros and cons of the whole bill. The idea of the bill was not to give anybody rights, but that I should get votes. And they played on the sentiment of a certain section of the people. And that is how this POGO bill became a big talk. And people started believing for some reason that I would get better benefits than A would get better benefits than B. Which is today, this balloon is getting burst. It is burst now. Because they can't even defend it. Question of this POGO bill is, you may, as Dr. Reza said it, it cannot stand the sanctity of law. In Maharashtra, there is a 50% for Marathas was passed.
It was struck down.
Struck down by Supreme Court. So where are you talking? Just passing a bill doesn't give you a right. It has got a lot of process. And the present bill, by admission, by not admitting, by not coming today here, by putting up a semblance of a defense, is an accepted position that we are playing politics and let us play politics. This is the idea of this bill is let us play politics. Or ये न्याना जी आम्ही डिस्कस करता त्यात काय अर्थ ना. ती काय खबर हा तिच्याने राजकारण केलं राजकारण तिला फायदा गावलो. Whether you like it or not, they got some benefit when it came to percentage of votes. You see, because there is so much confusion, they are trying to even say, because the first question that would come today by me would be, what would happen to people who are there in 61 and who have got Portuguese passport? They are saying, they are not clear on that now because their whole vote bank comes from that area. Who have actually migrated out on the basis of this facility that they have got. Whether they should be included or not, it's another debate. Which even the BJP is considering how to get that situation solved. But POGO cannot do it by just saying it. It's another, what you call it, it will have to be held at the highest level. That is at the home ministry level, the foreign affairs ministry. It's a big constitution. It will have to be brought in. Like how just we had the first time opinion poll, it will have to have an act of parliament. So this was all politics. They succeeded to an extent. They cannot take it further. They cannot take it further and they will not able to come for any debate to justify that this can be. Secondly, as he has pointed out that nobody will support it. Nobody is going to support it by one person saying that I want to do this, and that balloon and that psych that created is getting exposed. That the bill was just see, Goans are well known to be emotional. तर रोखडेच खंय तरी इमोशनल अँड ट्रस्टवर्दी. सिद्धार्थ बाबान कितें सांगलें आमी तेजे विश्वासाचेर आमी आहा. मागीर सिद्धार्थ बाबान कितें केलें आमी चिंतूंक नासलें बशिल्लो. दिस इज अ गोवन मेंटॅलिटी. For Siddharth also it is the same thing. He will trust somebody, another Goan. It is not that Siddharth is the footing and Trajan is correct. No, when Trajan tells something, he will go like, Trajan phototana. Emotional situation, especially when it comes to rights and the whole atmosphere that is going on. This is mine, that is yours, caste and creed and all confusion that goes on. In that there are many people who are confused. And they believe that this can save us, which is not the truth.
ट्रोजन बाबान आता एक जो मुद्दो म्हणलो तो खूप महत्वाचो आसा म्हाका अशें दिसता. कित्या खातीर फाटली 2-3 इलेक्शन पळयली जाल्यार बीजेपीन ती स्वीप केल्ली आसा. असेंब्ली आसत, म्युनिसिपालिटी आसत, पंचायत लेवलचे सगळे बीजेपी जिखलेली आसा. ताचो असो मुद्दो आसा की एक पर्टिक्युलर वोट बँक पोगो बिलाच्या माध्यमांतून अर्जी करपाक सोदता किंवा आनी कोण तिचे सपोर्टर करपाक सोदता आनी तांकां तांची मायलेज मेळ्ळ्या. तर एक रुलिंग पार्टी म्हणून तुम्ही हाचे कडेन कशें पळयता?
डेफिनेटली राजन बाबान जे सांगले की इवन दोज हू हॅव गॉट अ पोर्चुगीज सिटीजनशीप आर टू बी डिफायन्ड एज गोवन्स. नाव हो मुद्दो ज्याने देशाची सिटीजनशीप सोडल्या तो सेंट्रल होम मिनिस्ट्री, एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स मिनिस्ट्री हांणी घेवपाचो आसा. इट इज नन ऑफ अवर सब्जेक्ट. वी कॅनॉट डिसायड ऑन इट. खंय तरी फक्त पॉलिटिक्स करपा लागून
असेंब्लीचो विषय तो न्हू.
असेंब्लीचो विषय सिटीजनशीप नासतात. सिटीजनशीप ही सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाची फॉरेन अफेअर्स आणि होम मिनिस्ट्री ह्या 2 मिनिस्ट्रीन तांणी निर्णय घेवपाचो. हो आमच्या हत्तेखाली येना. म्हणजे जशें डिफेन्स इज अ सेंट्रल सब्जेक्ट, होय सिटीजनशीप इज अ सेंट्रल सब्जेक्ट. हाजेर आमी भाश्य करपाक शकना. नायदर असेंब्ली कॅन पास एनी बिल. ही निव्वळ फटिंगपणां आरजी कडल्यान चालू आशिल्ली. थोड्या फार प्रमाणात राजनान सांगले ते सक्सीड जाले. आमी कशें आसा गोंयकार हो सदांच एक
कोणी तेका तितलो पावरफुली काउंटर करू ना पॉलिटिकली.
ना पॉलिटिकली सगळ्यांनी काउंटर केलो पूण कशें आसता की थोडो
does not hold. Emotion takes over reasoning.
सेंटिमेंटाचेर जे पळय अपील करता. सी देर आर सेक्शन ऑफ अवर सोसायटी हू विल ऑलवेज टेक इट एंड दे हॅव टेकन इट. खंय तरी हांगच्यान आपलो गांव सोडून जो भायर वता ताका सदांच गांवा बद्दल कळवळो आसता आनी मातसो चडच आसता. पूण थंय सगळें एन्जॉय करून तो हांगा आपले गांव तशेंच दवरपाक सोदता. हांगा आमकांय डेव्हलपमेंट आसा, आमचे एस्पिरेशन्स आसता पूण ताका तशें ताका दिसना. सो म्हणून तें सेक्शन जें आसा त्या सेक्शनाक अपील करता की हय तुमी भायर बसून गेल्यार तुमकांय आपूण गोंयकार म्हणून सिटीजनशीप म्हणून मान्य करता. दिस इज जस्ट अ प्युअर अपीजमेंट अँड दिस जस्ट प्लेइंग अराउंड विथ द सेंटिमेंट्स ऑफ द गोवन. लोकांच्या भावना कडेन खेळ कसो करप हो आरजी कडल्यान शिकचो.
पण कितले तेंप चलतले
म्हणून आयज जे आरजीचो रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह हांगा ना. आयज हेराल्डान जो मुद्दो उठोवन घेतला की पोगो बिलाचो करता सर्वेता कोण आसा? आरजीक तुमीच सांगले की गेले 4-5 दीस तांकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करता, तांचे कडल्यान रिस्पॉन्स मेळना. फुटबॉला भशेन तुमकां हांगच्यान थंय थंयच्यान थंय तुमकां मारता. हाचो अर्थ आरजीन हो विशय जवळ जवळ सोडून दिल्ल्याकूच जमा आसा. तांणी कितें तें केल्लें लोकांच्या भावना कडेन जो खेळ केल्लो थोडे फारसे सक्सेसफूल जाले, एक आमदार निवडून हाडलो. पूण हाचो अर्थ हो मुद्दो फुडें आनी रेटपाचो ना हें तांकांय कळना आसतलें म्हणून ते आयज हांगा ना. नाजाल्यार हेराल्डाचे डिबेटीक हेराल्ड जेन्ना पोगो बिलाचेर डिबेट करता तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता तांणी उडक्यो मारून हांगा येवपाक जाय आशिल्ल्यो.
सारकें तांचे म्हणणे लोकां मेरेन
पावपाक जाय. तांणी स्वता जर ते डिफेंड करपाक हांगा येवपाक शकना आनी तुमचे कडेन ना आयज हो ना आयज तो ना तें ना तो ना करून तांचे मेन मनीस फोन ऑफ करून जर बसता तर म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी ते तांकांय कळून चुकलां.
आनी कितें आसा पळय, इफ आय मे जस्ट एड टू वॉट सिद्धार्थ सेड जस्ट नाव की असेंब्लीन बील घातलें. आतां असेंब्लीन घेवंक ना म्हणून बोवाळ जालो. What if the bill was put in the assembly and actually legally bona fidely defeated? भायर एक बोवाळ जातलो आसलो कितें पळय bona fide bill आशिल्लें आमचें डिफीट केलें. That means if you see from political point of view they would get, according to me, they would get more mileage. So therefore maybe the thinking in the government was also that what is otherwise is unconstitutional. Why bring it on the floor of the house and have a debate and
assembly is to debate only constitutional matters.
Assembly
is a very supreme platform of the state. the supreme platform of the state cannot afford to debate anything unconstitutional.
Yes.
That is a basic.
Legal weightage असल्याशिवाय जायनाच ना पुढे.
Absolutely. म्हणजे जे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाक बसता कायद्याचे अत्तेखारीज येतात तेच आमकां असेंब्लीन डिस्कस करून पास करपाक.
Even otherwise, citizenship and related issues falls under in the central list. They are not even falling in the concurrent list of the constitution. So the question of debating those in the assembly does not arise. It does not arise. Yeah, nothing.
पण ह्याचो जन्म कसो जालो असो ह्या विशयाचो?
नाही खंय तरी पॉलिटिक्स करपाक.
For example, let us take it like this.
Yeah.
Let us consider special status. Now, special status,
Yeah.
all political parties in Goa were united on it.
Yes. There was a delegation to Delhi also.
Under Parikar, everybody went and everybody was moved in the house and everything.
Yeah.
Now, special status,
Yeah.
we had a BJP government at the center.
Yeah.
It would be more accommodative to do it.
Yeah.
But when the center had in mind to remove the special status of Kashmir, how could he grant something here?
Yes.
And then if that is not being granted, how can Pogo ever be accepted?
Yeah, 371.
You're getting it?
भारत मातेचे 27 पूत आसा.
हय.
तर एका पुताक खंयच्या तरी तू म्हजो लाडको, तू म्हजो लाडको न्ही, तो अशें करपाक शकना.
So
भारत माता ही
you must
सगळ्यांची.
understand that when we were all thinking, BJP is in power, they will get it. They will not get it because center had other plans. You can't be giving one special status then withdrawing from somewhere else.
Yes.
So they have brought everything on par.
Par.
Let us accept that.
Yes.
Now, why it has been par, that is another debate.
Yes.
Which is correct, right, wrong. But
Yes.
definitely, you cannot be thinking of giving a special status when after 6 months you want to withdraw something.
तुम्ही कितें
No,
सांगता?
कितें आसा पळय, even if special status आसा पळय न्ही, Kashmir special status is a completely different thing.
हय.
Special status otherwise is there for Nagaland or places.
मिझोराम तेंका under 371 they have.
Yes, it is there. Under 371 it is permissible. It does not become unconstitutional.
Yeah.
When we are discussing Pogo bill asa payne, it is absolutely patently, blatantly unconstitutional. This bill even cannot be, we are discussing it. But if you ask plainly speaking, get a constitutional expert, he will just lift it and throw it in the garbage bin.
No, we are not trying to say 371 is unconstitutional.
No, yes.
When the government is deciding
Yeah.
by an act of parliament
Yeah.
to withdraw, it becomes constitutional
Yes.
at the end of the
Yes.
day with,
Yes.
with a 2/3 majority and the Rajya Sabha party.
Yes.
And that is exactly what they did.
Yes.
The question is, what I am trying to say is that when you are deciding
Yes.
to withdraw one,
Yeah. You cannot grant
not
another.
other.
That-
And
that-
that was not being understood by us.
Yeah.
Why it was not being granted.
Granted.
At least
Now it is
we
ample
should-
clear why it was.
ample clear
Yes.
that therefore it was not being granted.
Yes.
Therefore, people like Pogo bill will not stand even in the Mamlada's court.
Yeah.
If you like to go
No,
at that
no,
level.
no. पहिली म्हणजे ते बिल पहिली असेंब्लीन येवपा जाय.
It has
असेंब्लीन
to
बिल
come.
कशें येता? एक MLA आसता.
See, as I
सुदारपाक
told you
तुमकां
in the
खबर आसा.
beginning, the bill-
तुम्ही बिल घातले जाल्यार ते
legally
सेक्रेटरी
wait करता.
मागीर ते लिगल डिपार्टमेंटाक धाडटा. तांचो रिमार्क जर एडवर्स आसा जाल्यार ते असेंब्ली मेरेनय पावना.
पावपाकच शकना.
तेच सांगता ते पावत ना.
You see,
finally अशें जावं उपकारना की business is brought to the house.
हय.
Irrelevant business brought to the house and then
येऊ शकना
defeated.
ते, येऊ
जावूंच
शकना,
शकना ते.
येऊ शकना.
Then we are insulting the very
इवन
legislature.
तुम्ही जर ऑन द स्पॉट खंयचो जर एखादो थाराव जर असेंब्लीन
See,
घेतलो
Pogo bill.
आणि तो जर लिगली वेटेज जावना जाल्यार तो सायनिंग गव्हर्नराकडे वचना तो लॅप्स जाता.
Actually,
लॅप्स जाता तो.
Yes, left जाता.
ते सांगता.
That is
हां.
true.
see, it was definitely a political gimmick.
Hmm.
They succeed to some extent.
Hmm.
They cannot take it further.
Hmm.
Therefore, they are absent over here. This becomes more and more clear.
No, that is one part.
Yeah.
म्हजो म्हणणं कितें हाची ती मायलेज कितली तेप ते घेवंक शकतले.
No, it is now down slope.
If I may just
It
add
is now
to this
down the
न्ही,
hill.
Yeah.
mileage कशी घेतले? One त्यांचो so called founder आसा पळय,
हय.
he will make big noise on Pogo bill
हय.
to the public gallery.
हय.
But substance जेन्ना डिस्कस करपाक जाय, एक्झॅक्टली बाबा हें बिल खरेंच आसा, लीव असायड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल फॉर द टायम बिंग. म्हणून धरुया हें बिल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सायडीन दवरुया आमी. ह्या बिलान भितर कितें आसा पळय तें आमी गोंयकारांक दिवंक शकता अदरवायज ऑर नॉट. आनी थंय दिता आसतनाच प्रॉब्लम्स अरायज जातली काय ना.
हय.
तें सुद्दां तर पळयत न्ही जाल्यार दीस बिल फॉल्स अपार्ट.
न्हू म्हाजो लार्जर क्वेश्चन तेच्या फुडें आसलो की गोंयकार हे डिफायन करपाची गरज आसा काय कितें?
No,
अंजनी कशें सांगले
If I may
की
just
आतां
add there.
सगळे भारत देश आहा तो सगळ्या खातीर
I-
उत्तम
I-
आहा.
No
just-
one wants to defend this
No,
bill.
तशें ना, पूण
See, but a certain section
Yeah.
got carried away because of this bill.
Yeah.
Certain section got carried away with some other promises.
Yeah.
And all that confusion Pogo bill is trying to be put up as the savior for that particular section. And that section is getting eroded. It cannot be seen, and it is seen in the recent Panchayat elections.
Yes.
You see, forget other areas. In the area where the MLA itself is there. So that erosion has taken place because it was a facade put up which would not hold at all.
तुम्ही किती सांगता?
कितें आसा पळय, हें bill आसा पळय, see, whether this bill is there or whether this bill is not there, we know that we have only 3,700 square kilometers of area. We are lesser than Sindhudurga. That means one district of Maharashtra. We have a culture which is unique. It's pre-Portuguese, it's Portuguese, and after Portuguese, post-Portuguese, Indian culture. So there's a unique blend of culture here, and which culture many people feel that it should be preserved. I have no issues there, and I would support also there, because that culture becomes something different from the rest of the India. Now, how to preserve it? Certainly not the way by Pogo bill. Because a simple example, when you are drawing water from the ground, and if that happens to be closer to the sea, Asadar, the moment you draw water from that ground, sea water will percolate in. It means what? Nobody waits for anybody. Everybody wants to...
Action plus reaction.
Yes. The vacuum असता पळय न्ही तो fill जाता. आता जाला कितें? Over a period of time from post 61, a lot of people have migrated from Goa. And those people, they are settled abroad. Their aspirations still connected to Goa. But the reality is that you cannot be, there and here also at the same time. So what कितें जाता कितें? तेंका दिसता की Goa preserve करपाक जाय, preserve कर. Fair enough, well and good. This is not the way.
आम्ही ह्या मुद्द्याचेर येयया. तुम्ही पळयतात हेराल्ड टीव्ही पॉइंट काउंटर पॉइंट प्रोग्राम चालू आसा आणि पोगो बिल जे झारखंडान तेंच्यांनी एक बिल संमत केले त्या लायटीचेर आम्ही पोगो बिलाचेर डिस्कशन करतात. काय क्षणांची विश्रांती घेऊया आणि ब्रेका उपरांत परतून आम्ही मेळुया. तुम्ही पळयत राहा हेराल्ड टीव्ही. 2 मिनिटां ब्रेक घेऊया. उदक बी